In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log in to Slack. Open the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. If you're using the desktop version, you'll see a login prompt right away. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to choose the specific workspace where you want to create your channel. Workspaces are like separate hubs for different projects or teams, and selecting the right one is crucial because that's where your new channel will live. Now that you're in the desired workspace, take a look at the left sidebar. This is your channel bar where all your current channels are listed. At the top of this sidebar, you'll notice a plus Add Channel button. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, giving you a few different options. Select Create a Channel from the menu. This is your gateway to starting a space for information sharing and collaboration. You'll then want to choose your starting point. Here's where you get to decide how you want to set up your new channel. Slack gives you the option to create a blank channel from scratch or to build one using a pre-made template. If you're new to Slack and not sure where to start, I recommend checking out the templates for some inspiration. They can help you see how others have structured their channels based on common purposes, like project discussions or team announcements. Once you've made your choice, it's time to name your channel. This step is really important. You want to type in a name that clearly reflects what the channel is going to be about. Think about the channel's purpose and consider using keywords that will help team members understand what type of conversations will happen there. For instance, if it's a channel dedicated to project updates, you might want to name it something straightforward and descriptive like project updates or team projects. Keeping it clear and concise ensures everyone knows what to expect. Now let's move on to privacy settings. Here is where you'll decide whether your channel will be public or private. If you opt for a public channel, it will be open to everyone in the workspace, which is great for fostering open communication and collaboration. On the flip side, choosing a private channel means it will be an invite-only space for specific members. This is useful for sensitive discussions or smaller group collaborations. So consider who needs access to this channel before making your choice. Once you've made your decision, click the Create button to finalize the creation of your channel. And there you have it. You've successfully created a channel in Slack. Celebrate your accomplishment. You're one step closer to better organizing your communication and teamwork. Don't forget to invite your team members to join the channel so that everyone is in the loop. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.